Let's imagine that we want to write an academic paper on a completely absurd topic. Let's say influence of John Lennon's guitar on the string theory. Let's see if it can manage it. No, it says, I'm sorry, but this is a complete nonsense. I should also mention that this time, when the latest update of the chatbot happened, they added some sort of reasoning, so it won't create a complete absurd output. So we can divert the prompt and ask to write an academic paper on the topic of, let's say, cybersecurity, pretty generic. And this time it's going to do its job properly. So as you can see, here's an abstract. Because our prompt was pretty generic, the output is going to be generic as well. Probably just an overview of what cybersecurity is, but you can be more specific and obviously get a more specific outcome. I personally wouldn't recommend to delegate this task to the bot completely. You should perform some proofreading and probably perform some enhancement of this abstract and other parts of the academic paper with some facts, but it can definitely save you some time. And of course, it can proofread your writing as well. So as a conclusion, use it with caution, but definitely give it a go.